Condo has an easy kind of love. Angie Tonini-Rogers brings the key today. Homepage Realty helps you find your way. Second floor living, simple, bright and neat. One bedroom, one full bath, 538 square feet. Built in 1981. Ready for your plan. Affordable Louisville living. Catch it if you can. Move right in. Let the good life start. Sofa bed, dishes already got hot. Under 65,000. Value in the groove. Turkey little condo with a big high move. Angie Tonini-Rogers. Hear the welcome ring. Homepage Realty makes this listing sing. Cozy living room with a love seat and chair. Television waiting, lamplight in the air. White shaker cabinets, stainless ribbon view. Pantry space and kitchen tools are waiting here for you. Dining by the kitchen, tidy and bright. Easy meals, easy mornings, easy every night. Move right in, let the good life spark. Sofa bed and dishes already got hard. Near the university, downtown lights too. Hospitals and highways keep you close to what you do. Angie Tonini-Rogers, hear the welcome ring. Homepage Realty makes this listing sing. Bedroom feels calm with the fan overhead. Soft neutral bedding and a ready-made bed. Closets and builders keep the clutter away. Full bath shines bright for a fresh start day. Off-street parking when you roll back home. Low maintenance living with room to roam. Brick walls outside and a covered walkway. White door laying in the Kentucky day. Second floor setting with laundry outside. Great for first time buyers or rental breeze of light. Monthly Furnished stays can start with ease. Travel nurses, students, and relocations, please. Move right in, let the good life start. Furnished and flexible, smart from the heart. Second peak, Beechmont convenience, Louisville glow. A little condo value you can feel as you go. One bed, one bath, ready on day one. Turn the key, start the beat. Your next chapter's begun. Sunlight on the table, bright and clean. This move-in ready condo is the one to be seen.